All right, you guys, so we have a problem here. I am going to take y'all up there so y'all can see. Um, it has to go back, unfortunately, and I will look up a different brand. Now, I know this is used because somebody already screwed that in. I know that for a fact. So the black beam or the black mounting bar up there, it looked like somebody already impacted. So I already know it was used. So with that being said, I was going to go ahead and let it slide and just deal with it. But the bars are not constructed right for it to fit on to the black mounting bar. So let me show y'all real quick. So for me to install this, you see where the screw is you're supposed to mount? Well, it will land on the screw, right? And check this out. You see the tilt right here and there? Yeah, that's a heck of a tilt, right? And this is as far as this one goes down. And check out that tilt. If you don't believe the tilt, I actually have a leveler for you. Don't know if this was done purposely to have a tilt like that, but I do not want a tilt. I want it to be flat. Now this one is still a tilt on it, but it was flat enough. If they was all like that, I would have left it alone. But this one here is cringy, all right? And once again, that is flat. This is flat on, oops, sorry. This is flat right there. You cannot go down no more. This is the one with the most tilt on it. All right, no nut, the screw is not in the way on that one, but one on the bottom, look at that. I can't make this up, you guys. I'm doing this for y'all. Now, this was on Amazon Savings, brand new, I bought. And once again, this mounting bracket was already screwed in, I could tell by the imprints on it. And it was already rusted. So what I'm going to do is put in my return, and I suggest you to not buy this brand. I will put it in the description, but not for you to buy. I will put it in the description for you to watch out for this. All right, I'll catch y'all on the next product that I will get like this, and like, comment, and subscribe. All right, you guys, so once again, I'm going to return this thing, and I just want y'all to be aware. So I did flip it around, and it goes over the nut, right? There's no problem with that. It goes over the nut, but the other issue is it don't go down all the way. So right now, if this was straight on the wall, it will still be in an angle. All right, this is hitting the flat part right here before it could come all the way flat down. So you see that? And this is being on the opposite side. So when I had it on this side, it was going over top of the nut. And you put it on this side, the opposite side, it goes over the nut. That's supposed, well, over the bolt that's supposed to be screwed onto the wall. So once again, the screw hole is right here, and it goes right on top of the screw hole. So you can actually see some of the hole right there. So this one is poorly constructed. I do want to get the same type, so I will look up a different manufacturer. I just want y'all to be aware. So if you buy this brand, just be careful of the construction of it. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description, but I just want to give y'all an idea of which one it is that I'm having troubles with. All right, you guys, it's time for me to return this, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.